Alright, ball is live. We are good to go.
Second half of the action underway. And we are back, Father Alvin.
Yes, partner.
Mula sa Aspar Ladies Hall. Second half of the action. 47-39, 8-point lead being enjoyed by PBA Moto Club.
This game is brought to you in part by Grand Management.
Grand Management and Events. Maraming po salamat.
Tama.
Kay Coach Nino, Tupeng Capelado, Coach Arnold Pahota, and si Ma'am Rona.
Tama.
Ayan, yan yung Cran.
Oo, tama. Balik tayo sa laro. Baseline inbound, 5 seconds to shoot para sa mga taga-PBA Moto Club. Yancy, wala ang kanyang hook shot. Espuelas, makakapulot ng rebound. Nagmamadali, dumire-diretso sa basket. How about this guy? Partner.
Gio Espuelas, early offense para sa mga taga-Suzuki Qatar All-Star. At coast to coast yun, partner. Si Gio Espuelas talagang paborito na niya. Very deadly on the open court to si Gio Espuelas.
Gio Espuelas.
At we see Yancy De Ocampo who redeems himself on that last miss.
Here comes Mark Cristobal. Gets the 3-point bomb in the wing. And our score is 49-44. 8 minutes and 39 seconds remaining.
Immediately wide open, Spark Cristobal. Deadly on the outside itong si Spark. As we see, yung kanyang tira. Kung maaalala mo against UAE, kung sa PBA ngayon, 4 points yun eh. Talaga apart from the parking lot. As we see, Yancy De Ocampo, N1 play. May kasama pang foul.
Bonus free throw in effect para kay Yancy De Ocampo.
Just taking advantage of his height inside itong si Yancy De Ocampo.
Pansin mo,
finishing with the left hand hook shot.
Third period, lagi nilang pinupuntahan si Yancy. Alam nilang may advantage sa height.
Nakita nila na mas mataas itong si Yancy sa kanyang matchup na si Rodel. But this time, good open look para kay Rodel Malyari. Everything but the shot for him. Sayang yun. For Suzuki Qatar All-Star.
BJ Simon, drop spin. Loses the ball.
Yes.
Spark
The blind side. Ito si Rodel Malyari. Good help. There's a turnaround ni PJ Simon. The ball was stripped. So, turnover yan. Na-force ng Qatar All-Stars. Balik sa kanila ang bola dito.
Si Jay Casas magtitimo ng opensiba. Gio Espuelas bumukol ng tres. Wala. Alvin Patrimonio with the rebound. The Ninja gives it up to PJ Simon. PJ, he is called the scoring apostle in the PBA, partner.
Alongside James Yap, itong si PJ Simon.
Hindi ko lang alam kung nag-aabot ba sila ni Kapitan Alvin.
Parang nung pa-retire na si Kapitan. Parang yung kanyang last years, I'm not sure, pero parang nakita ko sila. But yun nga, ang ganda ng transition defense. Credit dun sa transition defense ng Suzuki Qatar All-Stars. Ang bilis sila nakababa to prevent any fast break from PBA Moto Club.
De Ocampo, no look pass to Canaleta, loses the ball. Here comes Defensor, pushing it up. Defensor driving inside with the layup.
Coast to coast partner, Jeffrey Defensor, who is in the ball game for the first time for Suzuki Qatar All-Star, scoring in transition. Ito si Jeffrey Defensor, deadly din yan sa open court.
Yancy De Ocampo, high low kay KJ, gets his inside, no go.
Sayang yung move na yun ni Yancy sa loob. Binanda niya pero malakas yung magkabanda.
No, rebound battle, Joseph.
Good look for CJ. Yun, medyo malakas lamang yung kanyang bitaw doon. But that was a good, clean look from CJ Casas. Start from behind, yes.
Espuelas, up, and away, no! Casas was there.
Yes, CJ Casas with a clean-up job. Ang ganda ng follow-up.
Dahan-dahan nakakalapit itong mga taga All-Star Suzuki Pinoy. Here comes PBA Moto Club. KJ Canaleta loses the ball
by Jeffrey Defensor and
wala. Malyari, offensive board. Kanya pa rin. Yes, sir.
Gets his own miss and putting it back in. Don't look now.
It's just a 1-point lead.
Yes, partner. Nakabalik agad sa mga taga-Qatar All-Stars. And yan si De Ocampo. Wala sa position si Rodel doon.
Inarao.
Medyo na-out position si Rodel ni Yancy. So, yan si De Ocampo using his size and might inside the paint.
CJ Casas ilalabas kay Espuelas. Espuelas balik kay Casas. Bibigyan ng ball screen ni Malyari. Behind the leg. Nawala ang bola.
And look who stripped that ball, the big man. Yan si De Ocampo. Up and away para kay PJ Simon, partner.
Oh.
You have to admire yan si De Ocampo stripping that ball on CJ Casas. Ang laki nun, pero nakita mo yung nagawa niya, Guardia.
Oo. And in the meantime, Spark Cristobal, nice find inside to defensor and back to a 3-point game.
Magkaamuyan lamang, yung matagal na magkakampi, partner.
Yan si Mrs. Tre.
Spark Cristobal to Jeffrey. Ito na.
3-on-1 situation.
Offense.
Espuelas, gumamit ang kaliwa!
Touchdown para sa Qatar All-Star. 3 against 1. Wala nang bumaba para sa matagang PBA Moto Club. So, kailangan yata magpalit ng mga taga-PBA Moto Club para wala nang bumaba doon sa fast break play na yun, partner.
Oo, baba sa isa ang lamang ng PBA Moto Club. And in the meantime, JJ
Narinig
Helderbrand.
yata tayo ni JJ Helderbrand knocking it out from the outside. Bakit hindi? JJ Helderbrand answers right back with his own triple.
Spark Cristobal, pupukol ng tres from downtown. Palitan ng putok, partner, sa 3-point shot.
Spark Cristobal not backing down, answering right back with his own three. So talagang palitan na to. Itong dalawang kupunan na ito, palitan ng tres. Sagutan, kumbaga.
Here comes Espuelas, nice steal, defensive stop by the Qatar Suzuki All-Star Pinoy, and Espuelas
Gets his own miss and putting it back in. Itong si Gio Spells not giving up on the play.
Wala
na baba. For Qatar All-Star. So, palitan.
Susunod ka to All-Star ang magta-timeout. Marami akong babatiin, partner.
Sige, pwede na.
Simulan ko na Harold Hilario ng OPPL. Alain Garcia, Ma'am Ruby Garcia, Engineer Duestro, Coach Brian Tolentino, Mr. 80%, Francis Jojo Lipalam, Bicoy Ibarra of Cubiertos Grill Restaurant, Jonathan Alihaga, Mark Samante, Terong Lagula, Nico Kiatko, Kami Mercado, wife of Idol Francis Mercado, Boss Wendell Kakula, One Love from UAE, manonood yan ang reviewing.
Boss Wendell.
Boss Lawrence of Barangay Malasakit, manonood din yan.
Nandito si Boss Lawrence, binabi ko kanina.
Angel Perez Sustona, Patrick Escalona, belated happy birthday kay Jennifer Cubos from Batangas, from RC Illegal. Mamaya ulit.
Si Red Ball. Okay, back to the ball game. Spark Cristobal
with the ball
against JJ. Ball screen.
Spark ilalabas kay Defensor. Bigay kay Espuelas, aatake. Labas kay Casas. 5 seconds sa kanilang shot clock. Espuelas.
Wide open look for Gio. Don't leave him that wide open. Gio Espuelas can hurt you with those long bomb. Nobody closing out for the season MVP of the Inter GCC 7th edition.
Cyrus Baguio flies high with 11. No, Gako, clean up the mess. Back to a 1-point lead for PBA Moto Club, 62-61.
Alito na, season battle na ito, partner. Alito na, bawat kapunan. Nag-iinit na. And Jeffrey Defensor answering with his own triple. May tira din yan, partner, si Jeffrey. Bihirang tumira, pero piling-pili yan si Jeffrey Defensor. And JJ Helderbrand answering right back with his own triple.
Nag-enjoy ako dito.
Grabe, palitan na. Bawat kapunan, talagang binibigay na lahat, partner.
Here comes Espuelas.
We have a shootout. Ito ko tinatawag, shootout between two teams.
Casas binigyan ng skin ni Malyari. Casas pa rin may tanga ng bola.
Switch, yes.
Umikot, pumihit, naagawan.
Good defense from Cyrus Baguio. But CJ Casas.
Pero bumalik
from
agad.
behind. CJ Casas. Yun ang gusto ko kay CJ. Bumbawi agad sa depensa. Nakita niya. Naagawan siya. Pero yun nga, not giving up on that play. And stripping the ball from behind.
Here comes Helderbrand. Another monitoring.
Nag-iinit na, partner. JJ Helderbrand. Back-to-back triple.
turning back the
Yes.
hands of time.
Vintage JJ Helderbrand we're seeing here in Aspire Ladies Hall, Doha, Qatar. What a game for JJ.
How about Cristobal? This time, no. Here comes Cyrus Baguio on a run. Behind the back dribble. He goes up. Yeah!
Vintage naman ito, Skyrus Baguio. Turning back the hands of time.
Oo.
Grabe, parang may mga time machine. Itong mga taga-PBA
Balik
Moto
na
Club.
uli sa anim ang kalamangan. Espelas umatake. Foul down low.
Sa baba pa lang, oh. That will be a fast ball.
9, that is a push. Substitution. Substitution.
1 minuto, 40 segundong natitira sa ating ikatlong yugto. Lamang pa rin ng 6 ang mga taga PBA Moto Club. 70-64 ang ating talaan.
Sideline inbound for Espelas.
Your first personal for number 9.
Spark Cristobal ngayon may tangan ng possession para sa Suzuki Pinoy All-Star. CJ. Private game.
Yes, good find. Good run.
Yeah!
A good setup job from CJ Casas. Dribble drive penetration and kicking it out to the open Spark Cristobal. Good play for Qatar All-Stars.
Nice defense by Gio Espelas. Espelas up, and no! He gets it back. There's a whistle.
Gio Espelas not giving up on that play. Mimintes pero getting his own miss and follows it through. Pero makikita mo yung puso ng batang to talagang buo. Partner,
Naglaro rin niya
giving up.
sa MPBL.
Not backing down against these PBA legends.
Bataan
Talagang
Risers.
he deserved to be in this kind of game.
Oo. Played for the Bataan Risers itong si Gio Espelas. MVP, season MVP nung nakarang Inter-JCC All-Filipino Club Championship 2025.
Makes well-deserved naman partner. Nakita mo, train na kay FIBA Live Stats nun. 33 big points kay CJ Espelas yung championship game. So talaga namang deserving si
Gio Espelas. Canaleta kicks it out. Simon for 3. Skyrus Baguio with the rebound. Spins, fading away.
Jumper from Skyrus Baguio. Siya pa yung nakakuha ng offensive rebound. Diba? So, talagang
against Chongson yan,
yes.
master.
That's why he is called Skyrus Baguio.
Oo.
He's not the Skyrus for nothing.
Ronnie Cahayon kicks it out. Casas from
Against the
downtown.
outstretched arm of Ronaldel de Ocampo, CJ Casas. That's how great this player is, CJ Casas. Talaga namang nakita mo. Alam mo, nakita nung close out si Ronaldel. Pero tinirahan pa rin siya.
Kita mo yung siko
Si CJ Casas.
Kita mo yung siko.
Hindi ko nakita.
Pambalsang siko yan,
Hindi ko
partner.
naman nakita eh.
Gumanon eh.
Okay.
Sumuwing eh.
Hindi ko nakita, nakapikit ako.
Oo. Pambalsang siko yan, partner. Si Ranidel.
Totoo ba talaga yun? O biro-biro lang?
Hindi, yun talagang
Yun
siya
talaga.
sa PBA Moto Club. Pambalsang
Okay.
siko.
Boss in action, nagkaroon ng switch. Small to big, big to small. So si Gako yung kumuha kay CJ, and CJ doing the right thing, just attacking the defense of the big man, of the bigger defender. That is Jerwin Gako. So ang ganda nung read ni CJ Casas doon sa balls in action na yun.
6.1 seconds remaining sa ating laro. As third period, rather. CJ Casas, sumasayaw, kicks it out. Espelas for 3. No! And that will do it,
I think
partner.
that's it. Oh my God. Hindi ko na malaya, no?
Third quarter has come to an end. It's 72-71. It's just a
Grabe.
narrow 1-point lead, partner Joel.
1 point lead lamang. Partner, as we predicted, down to the wire between these two great teams.
Magbabalik tayo, Coach Joel.
Fourth and final quarter when we return.
UBF, Gobiernos, Sari-Sari, EGB Tigers, Kabayan Radio, Naji Sportswear, McDonald's, Puri Damu, and National Cruise. We would like to call you, our sponsors again. Please be on the center court. Again, we'd like to call on our sponsors. Please be on the center court. Sponsors. Guys, for the players, let's clear out the court first. Guys, let's clear out the court first. We'll take a photo op. We'd like to call on the Grand Sports Management Team to be in the center. Grand Management Team, Sir Chris, Sir Arnold, everyone from Grand Management, let's take a photo op with PBA Motor Club, please.
Hindi ko na malayan ha. Tapos na pala yung third quarter. Ganun-ganun lamang. Kaya nakita mo, palitan. Dalawang koponan. It was a shootout on the third quarter.
First, yung mga unang minuto ng laro, partner, it was, nagpumupunta sila kay Yancy De Ocampo, partner.
Pero yun nga, itong mga taga Suzuki Qatar All-Stars, running in transition, nakita mo, Gio Superas, running on transition, and knocking up from the outside to si Gio, together with Spark, together with CJ Casas, JJ Harriman on the other hand, hitting, I think, 2 or 3 triples on that quarter. So talaga namang shootout ang nangyari. Dalawang koponan, walang bibitaw sa kanilang dalawang koponan na ito.
That period, partner, it was a 1/3 period for the Suzuki.
Kasi nga, lamang yung PBA Moto Club going to the second half. So, a good third quarter for Qatar All-Stars. So, let's see if they can keep that momentum going to the fourth and final period.
As we can see, the picture taking of our Grand Sports Event Management. And
Going back, it's our
ito na, ang winning period, partner. Gusto ko lang i-shout out muli si Boss Jairus ng Jairus Esquivel ng Brewster Qatar Basketball. Coach Raymond Coach Raymond Portes.
Paghalo mo na.
And dalawang partner. Coach Raymond Sosing. Yan, shout out. Siyempre manonood yung mga yan ng mga
sigurado. Lahat naman yan, lahat ng coaches pinapanood yung mga replay nung kanilang mga games. So here we go. Fourth and final period. Let's see. Walang kukura, partner.
Walang kukura. Chongson, body to body. Kicks it out to Nino Gelig. Pero turnover siguro.
Turnover yan, yes.
Gusto ko rin shoutout, nakalimutan ko, Naje Sportswear. Naje Sportswear.
Tupeng Apelado.
Tupeng Apelado. Shoutout. Cyrus Baguio will go to the sideline inbound. Here comes
I think this is the strong vibe of PBA Moto Club. Kung nakita mo, talagang seryoso sila, partner. They are with PJ Simon as he hit that turnaround jumper from the baseline. So, PJ Simon, Cyrus Baguio, Walter Brand, Yancy, the two Ocampo, and Ronaldin. So, talagang gustong manalo ng Moto Club dito. This is the strong vibe that I can see. The strongest combination so far na nakita ko na nilagay nila sa loob ng court.
Ayan na naman ang mga taga-PBA Moto Club. Here comes Simon. Traveling. There's a foul.
Whistle away from the play. Yung nakita ni referee Homer.
Nakikita ko rin si Mark Zambales, partner. Shout out Mark Zambales.
Shoutout mo lahat
Ikaw. Baka meron kang naisip na tropa dyan.
Nakita ko yung mga of course, the Limen family nandito. Randy Limen.
Okay.
Magina, nandiyan nakita ko si Ma'am Monica kanina. And of course, yung misis ni Sandy nandito rin. They all complete. Talagang buong family
yung
nandito.
asawa ni Kahayon kanina.
Nandito rin, si Ma'am Saini. Nandito rin, of course, Billy Masbate. Nandito rin.
Billy Masbate.
Batiin ko rin yung partner ko rito, si Lynn Doble. Ayan.
Babatiin ko
kasama natin sa company yan. Abdul Gandhi Motors.
Michelle Villanueva.
Deadly shooter din to eh.
Ayun
na, yan si De Ocampo. Takes care of that free throw to make it 71-75.
75-71. Here comes CJ Casas.
Ayan na, nagkaroon ng ball screen. Pero nagkaroon switch. Pero ang ganda ng anticipation. But the counter steal, yes, by CJ. Kung makikita mo rin yung 5 ni Coach Raymond dito, he is with CJ Casa, Spark Cristobal, Ronnie Kahayan, Coach Nino Gehlig, and Jason Chongson. So, he's putting in that trust for Jason Chongson to guard the bigger Yancy De Ocampo. So, let's see kung paano magmamash up. Kasi medyo mas malapad ito nga si JT.
At saka mas matatangkad partner itong mga taga-PBA Moto Club. 6'9", Yancy De Ocampo, 6'5", Ranidel. Yung ano lang yung backcourt lang talaga yung tingin kong match sa height. Itong Suzuki Qatar Pinoy All-Star. Helter Brand gives it inside, kicks it out. Here comes Cyrus Baguio. Behind the back to De Ocampo.
Wide open.
PJ Simon.
No lamang partner, but that was a wide open look.
That's a good play
for PJ Simon.
Here comes CJ Casas. Manning the ball for Suzuki Qatar Pinoy All-Stars. Gives it up to the
swing, yes.
Drive and kick to Cristobal inside to the Man Mountain. Chongson. Body to body, fall away, no go.
Grabe ito beso ni
wala ka nang
not backing down against Jason Chongson.
Ranidel, skip pass. Helter Brand, corner, play, yes!
JJ Helter Brand lighting it up from the outside. Bakit hindi? JJ Helter Brand. What a game para sa kanya, partner. Talagang masyadong mainit sa labas itong si JJ.
Well, he come to play, partner. He come to play.
Talaga.
JJ.
Talagang game pace ni ni JJ rin talagang gustong manalo. Ni JJ Helter Brand.
Balik uli sa 5 ang lamang ng PBA Moto Club. Tingnan natin kung may sagot itong mga taga-Qatar, Suzuki, Pinoy, All-Stars, CJ. Kicks it out to Cristobal. Gehlig. Thought about the 3.
Good drop.
Sets up.
Yes. Deciding to drop it off to Jason Chongson, who is wide open. Doon sa kanyang bank shot. So, good dribble drive penetration. And a good find para kay Coach Nino.
This time offline for Helter Brand.
Kinose out na siya. Nirespeto na. Ang mga taga-Qatar All-Star, yung 3-point shooting ni JJ.
Alam mo kung sino nag-close out?
Spark Cristobal.
Yung The Fast and the Furious.
Oo nga, ano sila yun, di ba? Named after the Spark, Mark the Spark. Maganda yung mo na yun.
Spark ng Doha, Qatar. Here comes Ronnie. Spark Cristobal, pulls up. No, Helter Brand with the rebound. Here comes Cyrus Baguio.
Open look para kay
Cyrus Baguio goes up.
And Cyrus Baguio going hard against his former teammate, Coach Nino Gehlig.
Here comes Nino Gehlig. Gehlig
Pull up, yes.
off the mark. Yancy getting the board. Here comes Cyrus Baguio.
Moto Club partner.
PJ Simon.
PJ Simon with the reverse. And too slow to close out ng mga taga-Qatar All-Star.
Ronnie Kahayan. Turnover again.
Another turnover.
Here comes Cyrus Baguio. Cyrus with the exhibition.
Cyrus Baguio. On the move. What a play.
Yes, sir.
Cyrus Baguio. Nakita mo ba yung dribbling exhibition na yan? Parang
Magic.
pinektusan yung bola eh.
Alam mo kung ano masasabi ko? Amazing!
And the great up and under move with the pump fake. Goes inside. Ang ganda. Yung ginawang play ni Cyrus Baguio, that is pure talent, partner.
At 84-75 ang ating talaan. Balik sa siyam ang hinahabol ng Suzuki Qatar Pinoy All-Stars. 5 minutes and 52 seconds remaining in our ball game.
Partner, kung makikita mo rito, ang mga taga-PBA Moto Club attacking in transition. So, ito mga bataan ni Coach Raymond Sosing, they should be ready to run back down in transition dahil talaga naman tumatakbo. Especially with Cyrus Baguio, partner. Parang prime Cyrus Baguio. Yung nakikita natin dito.
As you can see the lineup, inipon nila si Helter Brand pero alam mo kung sino pinasok nila? si Joseph Yo.
Joseph Yo, the ninja. Yes.
Oh!
Ayun na, good timeout and a good execution after that timeout. Binigyan nila kay CJ. So CJ,
Here comes Joseph Yo.
knocking it. Knocking big time shot for CJ
Oh,
Casas.
steal by CJ!
And still, the
CJ!
ball away, CJ Casas. After that timeout, 5 straight points for the boy wonder, CJ Casas.
Here comes
And all
Joseph.
of a sudden, dapat na lamang yan, partner.
We have a ball game, partner. Here comes Simon, one-hander. So, 2 free throws ang may pagkakaloob para kay PJ Simon. 5 minuto, 16 na segundo ang natitira sa ating laro.
And Peter June Simon, partner, nakita niya na meron siyang slight advantage pagdating sa speed. So, ginamit niya yung kanyang burst of speed on the dribble pull-up. Yung one-hander pa nga yan na ginawa ni PJ. Paborito niya talagang ginagawa yan, partner.
Oo. Ang hirap bantayan nito si PJ Simon.
Nakita mo yung game fit style ni PJ. Nakita mo yung kanyang condition dito. Talagang parang prime pa rin talaga. With Cyrus Baguio, KJ Canaleta, JJ Helderbrand. Those are conditioned veteran player, partner. Hindi mo pwede sabihin na wala sa condition yung mga yan.
The scoring apostle, 2 for 2 from the line. Here comes CJ Casas. 1-on-1 versus KJ. Malyari pulls up from the elbow.
From the 18-feet jumper, Rodel Malyari. So maganda yung pagkahugot ni Coach Raymond kay Rodel.
Simon! Portrait!
All-Stars.
Yancy, touch it last. 86 to 82. We are heading up into our last under 5 minutes in our ball game. That much time remaining, partner. Here comes Espuelas. Gives it up to CJ Casas. Magtitimo ng opensiba nito mga taga Suzuki. Pinoy All-Stars. There's a whistle.
Perez talagang gusto niya ng contact, partner. Hindi siya gumagawa ng separation on that dribble pull-up para kay Gio Perez. So, paboritong galawan ni Gio. Yung mga ganong dribble pull-up.
Nino Geli gives it up to Malyari. Here comes Cristobal. Cristobal,
Yes.
Gives it up to Nino. Gelig. UST Growling Tigers. Oh! Almost losing it. Recovers by Gelig. Gelig! Try to intend to
Stolen by
Malyari.
his former teammate. But, yun yung sinasabi ko sa'yo, CJ Casas. Yun ang kaya niyang ibigay sa'yo. Playing defense in transition.
Cristobal
CJ yung mga
Espuelas was there.
And Espuelas scoring big time for Qatar All-Stars.
Dalawa
And
na
we
lang,
are down
partner.
to the wire, partner. PJ Canaleta from the corner three.
That will hurt. Suzuki, Qatar Pinoy All-Star. But malayo pa to, partner.
Kailangan mong respeto yung 3-point shot making ability ni KJ Canaleta because he can hurt you with those long bomb, partner.
CJ Cristobal pulls up the J. Wala. Rebound battle.
Challenge by KJ.
Napupulot ni Malyari. Casas ngayon. Ilalaglag kay Cristobal. Cristobal umatake. Six up
Good drop. A good dribble drive penetration and the drop pass inside to an open Gio Perez for Cristobal, making the right play here, partner, down the stretch.
Yancy De Ocampo on a high-low coming from Cyrus Baguio. KJ Canaleta almost losing the ball. Recovers it. Canaleta, no! Yancy, offensive rebound. No look inside to Cyrus Baguio.
No look pass from Yancy De Ocampo to KJ Canaleta. Yung sinasabi namin kanina, this big man can pass inside para si Jokic yan. Yancy De Ocampo. Big man that can pass the ball. Yancy De Ocampo.
Nice touch passing by Suzuki Qatar Pinoy All-Stars. Casas, ball screen by Espuelas. Casas penetrates.
There's good penetration for CJ Casas. Nakita niya, medyo slow to react on that pick and roll action. So ang ganda ng ginawa ni CJ doon. Just attacking the interior defense of PBA Moto Club.
PBA Motoclub.
Patingin ko lang belated happy birthday si Jennifer Cubos from Batangas City, from RC Ilagan. Ayan, mga tropa natin dito sa Doha, Qatar, mga basketballista. Shoutout sa inyong lahat. Hello, hello. Alvin Hernandez pa rin po, kasama ninyo. At saka si Coach Joel Partes, sinihatid sa inyo ang delayed telecast.
Tama yun.
Nitong
Live recording.
Oo. Brought to you in part, of course, by Cran
Events and Management. Ano ba, Management and Event ba? Pareho lang. Andito yan.
Yan.
Sports Event Management.
Cran
Ayan.
Sports Event
Tingin natin,
Management.
Christopher Tupeng Apelado, Ma'am Rona, Coach Arnold, and Coach Ninyo. Ayan.
Nadia Sportswear Stallion.
Of course, syempre.
Stallion ba?
Stallion si Coach
Team
Arnold.
pala yun. Team pala yun, oo. Nadia Sportswear. Yan. By Topeng Apelado. Cubiertos Grill. Shoutout, Bika Ibarra. CJ Casas to the Charity Stripes. First free throw is good. Down to a 4-point deficit for...
This is where you need CJ Casas for Qatar All-Star partner. Talagang itong si Boy Wonder. Kailangan mo siya sa mga ganitong klaseng moment.
Binati mo,
This is
partner.
where he is shining sa mga ganitong moment, partner.
Oo, he likes it.
Yes, he likes this moment.
Oo. Kagala. Yancy inside.
Ang ganda nung entry pass galing kay KG Canaleta kasi wala na makakakuha nun That was a lob pass for Yancy De Ocampo at ang ganda ng recognition ng kanyang mga teammate. Talagang mag-isa na si Yancy doon sa lob pass na yon from KG Canaleta.
Wala lang yung kanyang first free throw. It's winning time. 2 minutes and 14 seconds left in the ball game. Second free throw by Yancy De Ocampo. Misses it. Here comes
As
Spark.
we are nearing the twilight zone, partner. Kapit bayan.
Espuelas. Handing it off to Casas. Casas back to Espuelas. Loses the ball. Cyrus
A
Baguio.
crucial steal by Skyrus, partner. Exhibition. Medyo binaybi ni Skyrus yung pasa na yun, partner.
2 points na sana yun.
It was a 2 against 1 situation.
KG Canaleta gives it up inside to Yancy. Yancy on the low block. There's a
Nothing
foul.
to do but foul, partner.
Ang laki.
Against the smaller defender. Malaki na si Rodel, pero nanlilit.
Ano bang height ni Rodel?
Rodel is a 6'4", 6'5".
6'5".
Pero si Yancy, sabi mo, 6'9 or 6'10 nito.
6'9 and a half yata or
malaki yung 5 pulgada na yun.
6'10 na yan, may sapatos
So, hindi lang basta malaki din. A big man with a low post move. Talagang napakagaling sa ilalim.
At may pasa.
He is a first pick, if I'm not mistaken.
First pick.
By Mobiline or Pure Foods. I don't know about the
basta first
trivia,
pick
pero
siya.
alam ko first pick siya. Gio Esperas from the elbow.
And it's now down to a 3-point lead. 1 minute and 20 seconds to go in our ball game. Helterbrand driving, kicks it out. Simon!
This will be big. Peter Jun Simon, the scoring apostle. He's not the scoring apostle for nothing.
Yes, sir!
From the outside.
CJ Casas dancing against Cyrus Baguio. Kicks it out to Spark Cristobal. Cristobal takes the pull up. No! Rebound scramble. Goes to Casas. Casas
Big defense, offensive rebound for CJ.
Biglang tumikado ng tres. Wala!
Kailangan nila yung partner. And that's his shot. Okay lang, naitira na CJ yun. A good line and a good look, partner. Pero yun nga lamang.
Hindi matanganan ni Julius Velas. Rebound. Here comes JJ Helterbrand.
Those are the kinds of shot na talagang kaya namang talagang ipasok niya CJ Casas. Pero yun nga, medyo malakas yung tira niya that time.
JJ Helterbrand takes the three. No, nice box out by Malyari. Here comes Kelly, pushing.
Chance for them.
Casas, wing three.
This will be big.
No, Espelas was there for the putback. It's a 4-point
89,
lead.
95.
I think they have to foul, partner. They need to foul here. They need to foul. They need to foul.
Oh. Sayang pa yung tinakbong 3 to 4 seconds. A good foul to give by CJ Casas. Recognizing na time not on the side. Si CJ pa yung lumapit. Galing siya dun.
Medyo
sa backcourt.
Medyo natagalan lang ako dun sa foul.
I was thinking of a quick foul. 11 seconds ba? 4 seconds pa yun nawala, partner. So nakita na CJ, tumatabay oras. So wise to decide CJ Casas. Medyo hindi na-remind ng coaching staff yung kanilang mga players na to give a quick foul sa last sequence na yun.
7 seconds to go. Casas driving
first
inside.
layup by CJ, but time not on the side. I think that's it, partner. PBA Moto Club!
Nung napansin nilang nakakabalik ng third period ang mga taga-Suzuki Pinoy All-Stars, sineryoso nila ng fourth quarter.
Kung makita mo talagang solid yung binigay na naman. Katulad na sabi ko nga sa'yo, gustong manalo. Ito yung mga taga-PBA Moto Club. Hindi talaga sila nagpatumpik. Ang ganda ng combination sa loob. Especially with JJ Helderbrand knocking big time on those long bombs. Talaga naman nag-deliver for PBA Moto Club. At si KG, meron pang pa-slam dunk doon. At ayun na. Congratulations PBA Moto Club.
JJ Helderbrand.
Our best player from Suzuki Qatar, we got CJ Casas, and from PBA Moto Club, number 8, Peter June Simon.
Ang best player, partner?
Again, we would like to thank
Peter June Simon ba?
you so much for being in attendance today.
Alamin natin at pwede natin may interview, partner. Tara.
Thank you again to our sponsors and partners. Thank you.
That was the PBA Moto Club 2025 and awarding them for our MVP 14 nice days. And again, thank you, Fran, Sports Event Management for making this event happen.
Maraming salamat ulit sa inyo pagdalo dito. Again, our sponsors, Furidamo, Sari Sari, McDonald's, Suzuki, Roadster, Ubertos, National Cruise, and of course, the official radio station, Kapaya Radio 94.3.
Ayos. PJ, PJ, pa-interview saglit.
Yung taga-Davao. Classmate nila to.
Once again, salamatan natin dito. Kasi susunod po ng mga events natin, huwag nyo kalimutan.
Tagalog. Kasama natin si Peter June Simon, the scoring apostle. Idol ko to from Pure Foods. Best player of the ball game. Peter June Simon, anong masasabi mo doon sa game? Nung fourth quarter, anong third quarter medyo nakabalik ang Suzuki Pinoy All-Stars. nung fourth quarter, mukhang nagseryoso kayo. Ano masasabi mo sa game?
Yes, credit din dun sa Suzuki All-Star. I think they're really prepared well and maganda yung teamwork nila at malakas din yung team nila. And then, sobrang thankful ako sa mga guys kasama ko dahil kahit na puro kain tulog pa siya lang ginawa namin, pero pagdating sa court, talagang gusto namin na mabigyan yung magandang laban yung mga kababayan natin dito sa Qatar.
Ano ang masasabi mo sa crowd? Ano mensahe mo dito sa crowd sa Doha, Qatar, yung mga kababayan natin?
Di ko in-expect na ganito pala ka-fanatic yung mga Filipino community dito sa Qatar. Sobrang thankful kami, sobrang warm yung welcome nila. And looking forward kami na kami naman yung maging blessing sa kanila ngayon. Like picture taking or ano ba yun? Anong pwede namin magawa na para mapasaya din sila.
Hindi ko na patatagalin kasi maraming gusto magpa-picture sa'yo. May gusto kang batiin o pasalamatan?
Of course, nagpapasalamat ako to my PBA Moto Club family na in-include nila ako ngayong trip na to. And to my family, alam ko na nanonood sila ngayon. My wife Jessa, my son Jadon, and my daughter Gianna.
Okay, thank you po, Idol. Thank you po. Ayan po si PJ Simon. Back to you, Coach Joel.
Okay, yan lang. At marami pa gusto magpa-picture.
Madami masyado.
So, I think wala na tayong
Without tumira. Bigyan mo isang.
Kailangan yung charge lang eh. Kailangan yung charge. Hindi nawawala yan. Tapos may picture ka na. Idol PJ. PJ, good game. Good game po, ma'am. Good game po. Good game. Ayun, idol. Okay,
Meron pa. Pinakuha ko lang.
Wait. Sir, this one. Thank you.
Space.
Sir,
Carl, pakuha nga nung malit ako dun sa loob. Pagpasok mo ng gagaw. Wala akong access eh. Sino kaya pwede? Utusan mo.
Sir RDO, just a short message for our OFW. Sa nakalive po tayo, Sir RDO. Short message, OFW to Qatar. Warm reception para sa inyo.
Grabe yung pag-welcome sa amin dito ng mga kababayan natin sa Doha, Qatar. At very fanatic sa basketball. Yan. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta nyo dito at panonood ng event. Hanggang sa muli, mabuhay po kayo.
Ayun. Idol, salamat po. And welcome to Qatar. Ayun, grabe. Si Randall Docampo, nagbigay sa atin ng message. So, tingnan natin kung meron mo tayo mga kausap partner.
Maka-corner pa tayo dyan.
JJ, hanapin tayo doon. Si Gako Natix pwede.
Si Hector Bronzano eh. Kaso, punong-puno na.
Wala, hindi makalapit. Ayan, Gako Natix. Paalam na muna tayo.
Ako po muli ang iyong lingkod, Alvin Hernandez. Together with my partner.
Talaga ano rito. France Prensi na. Maraming salamat sa lahat na nanood, pumatnubay sa ating PBA Moto Club in Qatar. Maraming salamat, Khan Events, Sports and Management, Events Management.
Sa ngalan po ni Topeng
Apelado, Ma'am Rona, Coach Arnold Pahota, and Coach Ninja Gelig. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Thank you for having us on this very momentous event.
Salamat po. God bless everyone.
Okay, we are signing off.